In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly extension in Chrome effectively. Now, let's dive right in and get started with the first step. Begin by logging into your Grammarly account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Grammarly website and sign up. It's crucial to have your login credentials handy, so make sure to keep your email and password on hand. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll need to type in your email. Be sure to enter the correct email address that is associated with your Grammarly account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly document page. From here, you'll want to locate the Apps option on your dashboard. Click on it to access the various app options that Grammarly offers. Now in the Apps section, you'll see an option for Grammarly for Chrome. Clicking on this option will take you to the Grammarly Chrome extension page. Here you'll have the opportunity to install the extension. Next you'll see a button labelled Install. Clicking this will prompt you to add the extension to your Chrome browser. This is an important step as adding the extension integrates Grammarly into your browser, allowing it to work seamlessly across various websites and platforms. Once you've clicked Install, a new button labelled Add to Chrome will appear. Click on this to proceed with adding Grammarly to your browser. After clicking Add to Chrome, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. Click Add Extension to finalise this process. After adding the extension, it's a good idea to pin it for easier access. To do this, click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser, locate the Grammarly extension, and click on the pin icon next to it. This ensures that the Grammarly icon is always visible on your toolbar, making it quick and easy to access. Now with the extension installed and pinned, open any document or text field in your browser. Click on the Grammarly extension icon and Grammarly will automatically start analysing the text and provide suggestions for corrections. This feature is incredibly useful for catching typos or grammatical errors you might have missed. Beyond corrections, Grammarly also offers to generate ideas for you, which can enhance your writing even further. Whether you're crafting an email, a blog post, or a report, these suggestions can help elevate your content. And that's it, you've successfully installed and started using the Grammarly extension in Chrome. Enjoy the benefits of polished and error-free writing with ease.